And also, this is cardots smart alarm system. Today, I will introduce 3 features to you. First feature is remote learning, remote program. The second feature is about push start feature. The third feature is about remote start. Okay. Now let me introduce the first feature, remote learning. Okay. Remote learning. Okay. Back. This is learning button. This is learning button. Okay. Hold this button. Hold this button. Okay. Like hold this button. Hold. Don't lose your hand. Okay. Sorry. Okay, now. This remote lost control, and this. Okay, let me. No response. Okay, hold this button. Hold the button. Don't lose your hand. And turn that where keeps on. Okay. Yes. Okay. Lose your hand. Yes. Learning is successful. Thank you for watching. Oh, wait. The second feature is about push start. This is fault break wire 12 signal. Okay. If you want to push start engine, and this is start cable. This LED bulb will be flash once and off. Okay. I touch the foot brake. Yes, flash and off. Successful start. Press it again. Yes. This off, engine is off, and your car is unlocked automatically. Okay. Now let me introduce the next feature to you. This is remote start function. Remote start function, you can remote start in arm or in disarm status. Now I show you. Remote start. Hold this lock button almost 3 seconds. Okay. If remote start is successful, this blue LED will be green. It means successful. And this LED bulb will flash and off. Flash once and off. Okay. I show you how this. Yes, successful. Yes. Yes, this is successful remote start. Turn night will flash 6 times to tell you this is successful remote start. Okay, let me. If you want a remote stop engine, hold the same button, on button, almost 3 seconds, and this will be off. Okay. Yes, successful. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.